Welcome to the first episode of my tutorial series on industrial robots. In this episode, we will begin by understanding what an industrial robot is and why they are so important in modern factories. I will also introduce you to RobotStudio, which is ABB's powerful simulation and programming software. Then we will explore together the difference between offline and online simulation and how both can help you program and test robots efficiently, even without a physical robot. Whether you are new to robotics or looking to sharpen your skills, this series will give you the ideas to get started with real-world robot programming. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So what exactly is an industrial robot? An industrial robot is a programmable machine used in factories to perform tasks automatically. These robots are designed to work faster, more accurately, and without fatigue, helping companies improve production efficiency and workplace safety. They handle repetitive, heavy, or even dangerous tasks, which improves product quality and reduces risks for human workers. There are many types of industrial robots used in industries today, like ABB, Fano, KUKA, and more. These robots are commonly used for tasks such as welding, painting, pick and place, assembly, material handling. Even though these robots come from different brands, they work in similar ways. If you learn how to use one type properly, you will have a strong foundation to work with others as well. In this tutorial series, we will be using RobotStudio, which is ABB's official simulation and programming software. It's a great tool to learn and test robot programs virtually without needing access to a real robot. Now let's take a closer look at RobotStudio. RobotStudio lets you create, simulate, and optimize robot programs in a 3D virtual environment, all before running them on the real robot. It saves time, reduces programming errors, and helps avoid costly downtime on the production floor. This is a project I created using RobotStudio during my master's in robotics and automation at University of West. It is a good example of how powerful and realistic simulation can be using this software. Now let's talk about simulation in general. Simulation is the process of creating a virtual model or a real system or process. It helps you study and test how something behaves without using the actual system. For example, engineers simulate machines to test performance before building them. In robotics, simulation shows you how the robot will move and work without turning on a real robot. Is safe, cost effective, and helps prevent mistakes. There are two types in simulation. One is offline simulation and the other one is online simulation. In offline simulation, you work entirely inside, for example, RobotStudio, the simulation software, without connecting to a physical robot. You can build your robot cell, write programs, and test everything in 3D. Offline simulation helps you develop and test programs safely, optimize robot paths, plan workflows before real deployment. It is especially useful when the real robot is busy or not available. On the other hand, online simulation connects RobotStudio directly to the actual ABB robot controller. Like when you will see the ABB robot, there is a controller. It's also called as a flex pendant. So you can directly program through this flex pendant. Or also now it's also possible, you can also directly connect the RobotStudio directly to the robot also. This lets you monitor the robot in real time, test code live, and make quick adjustment. It's great for debugging live programs, fine-tuning robot movements, teaching tasks interactively. So you are working with the real robot but still using RobotStudio visual tools. So basically you are directly working with the real robots, with the real-time data. In conclusion, the both types are important So when we are preparing and test our program, we are using offline simulation, and when we need to do the tuning, we can use the online simulation. Thank you for watching the tutorial all the way to the end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. I will try my best to make some more videos. Hopefully, see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.